Hi, I'm Steve Gregor, Managing Director. Here at Gregor Heating, we've been installing boilers for over 30 years, keeping families warm in Bristol and Bath. As a Which trusted trader, installing a new boiler is easy with us. The first step is to give our customer service advisors a call to arrange a survey. This is completely free and can be done at a time that suits you. The experienced sales surveyor will review your existing boiler installation and carefully listen to your requirements.
Hello, Adam from Gregor Heating.
Hello.
How are you doing? You okay?
Good, thank you.
We only install modern, high-efficient, A-rated boilers in conjunction with the latest smart controls. As an approved installer of Worcester and other leading brands, we also offer exclusive extended manufacturer guarantees of up to 10 years on selected boilers. After the survey, we will leave you with a detailed quote for the installation that best meets your needs, which is valid for 30 days. We appreciate a boiler is a big purchase, so we offer easy payment plans on selected Worcester boilers to help you spread the cost. Upon accepting the quote, our customer care team will arrange a final survey and installation date. It usually takes up to a day for a straightforward boiler replacement and 2 to 3 days for a comprehensive system upgrade. All our installations are carried out by our own directly employed, fully qualified engineers. Our engineer will kick off your installation by carefully talking you through the planned works again and discussing any concerns you may have. We then lay dust sheets and take every care to ensure your home is safe and well looked after. In the event of the installation spanning more than one day, we will provide temporary heating arrangements. Once we finish commissioning, testing and certifying your new installation, we will carefully talk you through how to operate your new boiler and heating controls.
There's your controls for your heater, so just leave that on the economical mode. I just need you to sign some paperwork for me.
Finally, we vacuum up and remove any waste so as to leave your home as we found it. Back in the office, we register your new boiler with Gas Safe and the manufacturers to ensure your guarantee is fully valid. All our installations come with 1 year free heat plan service cover, which provides a free boiler service in your first year, ensuring your family are kept warm and cosy. So give us a call and see what savings you can make on your heating bills. And remember, it all comes with the Gregor Guarantee. We're not happy until you're happy.